Hi, I'm Barry Wilson with Lindsay's Classic Cars and Wilson Auto Repair. Today we're going to talk about how chokes work on carburetors. Lots of people don't understand the process, so I thought I'd give a quick explanation of how a choke works. As you'll notice, this is a 4-barrel Holley carburetor. The choke is right here. This blade opens and closes, and the mechanism down here called the choke thermostat is what makes this move. When you try to start the car, this closes and it allows less air and more fuel to get into the engine, so it makes it easier to start. Once it's started, the choke blade opens slightly like this to give a little bit more air, and it allows the car to run until the car warms up. Now, one of the things that people make mistakes on is buying carburetors that don't have chokes. This carburetor does not have a choke. It has to have a pull cable to operate the choke. It's difficult to understand how they make those work. So if you're going to buy a car and put a carburetor on it, try to find one that has an electric choke on it. It'll be much easier for you to operate.